Hello, Andre. Let's do collidables. Da, 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 da. Well, that's what's supposed to be. Alright. You can see I have the frigate and the pine collision, and I have the pine collision with itself, and I have bullets collision with itself also going on. Alright. So, you can see I set collision pair the frigate in the tree and the pine tree with itself and the bullet with itself. And then if I try to double register, gonna give me an error. Boop. And then if I try to double deregister, it's gonna give me an error. I close it. Boop. Alright. Let's show some code. And so collision system. We'll start with our collidables, which have two template class functions. And in here, they register to the scene and they submit the command. And so the command basically is templated and it holds the C pointer, whichever registers it, and then within the collidable group it will register that. And so this is a delete command, we'll get to there. And so basically it just inserts it into the collidable group. So collidable group are templated, derives from that base, so you can grab it. And basically it holds a collection of collidables, or of C's, C pointers, and then that's all it does. And then when you need to call it for the testing, it returns that. Those are collidable groups, and then we'll go to the collision manager, and the collision manager holds the collision test commands for everything. And so when you set it, the collision pair and self, you create a new test command, which goes through both of them. And for some reason, templates and type Fs weren't just working for me. And I don't know what happened, so I couldn't put collidable sets, so I just called the function for now, which is a little messy. And so this one's test 2 against each other, while this one tests itself against each other and doesn't do any double testing. Okay, and then yeah. So I'll show you that the commands are going, or the delete commands. And pew pew. And so then we have the collision manager destructor, the commands, and here's a collidable group. And lastly, how I did that. So I have my collidable group and my collidable delete command. And the delete command has a pointer to gets passed a pointer to the instance. And so the collidable group, upon registering, will create that command, so it stays in there once, checks if it's created, and then when the command is created in the instructor, it assigns the instance to it, and then it gives it to the scene, which then will give it to the collision manager, and the collision manager will register the delete command by adding it to a delete list, and then when the collision manager is deleted, it'll go through and execute all those, which is all the collidable groups as you saw. Alright, I think I'm good. Sorry it was long. I'll see you later. Bye.